In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to an image here in Canva. Now, once you have your image on the canvas that you want to add a shadow to, we simply want to click onto the image, come up to Edit Image, and then we want to use this shadows just here. Now, this is by using the older version of Canva, and I'm going to show you the newer version in a second as well. Now, if we click on shadows, we have a few different options. We have glow, drop shadow, angle, curved, page lift or backdrop. For this example, we're going to use glow. Now, once we click on here, Canva's going to do its thing and add the shadow. Then if we click on here again, we have a few different settings. We can play around with the size like that by increasing the bar or decreasing as well. We can play around with the transparency and also the blur. We also have the option to change the color of the drop shadow as well to whichever color that we want. So that's the first way, using the older version of Canva. The second way, again, is by using the newer version of Canva. So if we click onto the image, come up to Edit Image, and then we want to click here where it says a powerful new way to edit photos is here. If we click on Check It Out, we now have the newer version of Canva. And if we come down to Effects just here, we can click on this shadows box just here. Once we click on here, we have a few different settings. Again, we have the glow, the drop shadow and the outline. If we click on any one of these, we're then going to get more settings down below with the size, the blur, the angle, the distance and the intensity. So a few more settings than the older version. And again, if we want to change the color of the shadow, we can also do that as well. So that's how to add shadows to an image here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.